All right, what are we looking for?
We're looking for Morel Mushrooms.
Who let you drive? Causing a big scene here, looking for mushrooms.
These mushrooms sell for $100 a pound.
Yeah, you gotta have a lot of pounds of mushrooms to make $100. Shit.
Oh, there's so many apple trees.
Yeah, there's not a single mushroom.
Are you looking on your side?
Yeah, I'm totally looking, totally.
They're tan, sometimes they're black.
Can't see a thing. JJ ran them all over.
I didn't see any.
They grow on the ground or they grow on the tree?
They grow on the ground.
Around.
Near trees, yeah.
I just want to see one. Ozzy locked her stock went down. She's in the food market.
I'm scared of snakes. I can't come in there.
This is the bounty from the apple grove.
Okay.